Okay, welcome. Hello, welcome to another exciting coding class. Today we are going to talk about how to create a happy and sad smiley game. Now, in this game, we're going to learn how to create two smiley faces. And in that smiley face, if you click on the smiley face, you get a point. If you click on the sad face, you take away points. Now, another thing in this game is that the faces will move randomly around the screen. You have to hit them, you have to click on them, use your mouse to click on them to score points. Now, let's get started. Now, in this game, like I said, we are going to make two smiley faces. First of all, I will delete these sprites and go to the paintbrush section to draw my smiley face. I will need a circle, change the color of the circle to that, or to change it to color yellow color. That. Okay, this is fair. Now I'll draw another circle that will represent the eye. Copy this, select, copy, paste, and I want to change the color of both eyes to black. Use the paint bucket, change that to black, click on it, and I also draw another circle again, a smaller one. Copy, select, copy, and paste. Now this one is going to be white in color. So I would change it to white. Both of them to white. Just pick this one out. Copy this one, select it again, copy, paste. Okay, now I'll bring this closer in here. In the big circle. And bring the other whites in there. And the other whites are in there. Okay, that's fine. And I will increase this to make the mouth. Use my tool to adjust the shape of the mouth. So let's put it this way. This is fine. Put it in here to present a happy face. And that's fine. Push this up a bit. Yes, a happy face. Now I will select both of them and group it. Group. And I duplicate the sprite, and just change the color to red, represent anger. I think this is fine. It's good. So select it and group. I think I will reduce the size of them all so that they can all go well in the screen. And do the same here. I'll group all again and reduce the size. And that's fine. Okay, good. Now let's start coding it. Now, I will start with the happy face. When the green flag is clicked, I'll first of all create a variable called score and timer. Score. This is a container that holds the score. Your scores will be in this container, and timer. The time will be there. your countdown time will be in it. And I will get when my green flag is clicked in the event block, which starts your code. When the green flag is clicked, go to variable, get my set my score to 0, duplicate, and set my timer, set score to 0, so that anytime I click on the green flag, the score starts all over again from 0. While in this case, the timer will be 30 seconds, just 30. Now after that, now I would add a forever, and the forever makes the smiley face move continuously without stopping. So I'll get my forever loop, put it in, and go and get my go-to block, because since we want it to move at random position, I will add this at specific points. So I will use a pick random here. Pick at the X will be pick random, and Y will have also a pick random. Now the X pick random will be minus 240 and 240, and the other side will be 240. That's for the X axis. That's the floor, your floor, 240. And the Y here will be minus 180, which is at the top, no, below, and 180 at the top. And we'll get it. Now let's see it come to life. Let's click on the green flag. See that the smiley face has moved randomly around the screen, but it's too fast. So I will add a wait block. It's in here, wait, but it's kind of slow. So I'll give it a 0.5. And let's see how it goes. Now we are done with making the sprite move randomly around the screen. Now I would want to, when I click on the smiley face, the happy smiley face, it will score a point. So I will go back to event and get when the sprite is clicked. Then I would, since I want when the sprite is clicked, it should change score. It should give me a score. So I will change that to score. I should have my score when, and also signify that I have clicked on the happy face by playing a sound. You can adjust the sound if you want. Now I would also want it to go, after making a sound, it should go move to random position. So I have duplicated pick, go to X, and let's see how it goes. I'll stop it and start. So let's use your mouse to follow it. Okay, you can see that I have to adjust the time of this. I have to adjust the time. So I will put it back at 1, so that I can click on it. So I've clicked, I've scored 2.4. That's good. Now that's working perfectly. Now I would go to the sad face. I will duplicate this. I will duplicate this and put it in the sad face. The sad face. When the green flag is clicked, I add my when the green flag is clicked. And go back to my and add this to also to my sad face. And that's fine. So I would want, since if you click on the angry face, you will lose points. So I'll give it a -1. And I want you to play a different sound rather than from pop. Let it play a different sound. So I will go to sound and change the sound to something else. Maybe I'll pick. I think I'll use the wobble. I'll go back to my code and change the sound to wobble. So let's watch it come to life, stop, and start. So click on the happy face, 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 happy face again. I think I'll lose a point. Mm. Now I'm at 12. If I click on the angry face, I'll lose a point. Yeah, I've lost a point. Okay, and that's about it for the the angry and the happy face. Now I want to add an external backdrop. Now to do that, I will go to I'll upload it as a sprite because I want to add a different feeling to it. There's something I take this, add it to the backdrop as a sprite because there's some things I would want to add also. Now fine, it's there. I'll go to costume and adjust it, convert it to vector so that I can freely adjust it where I want. Adjust this side to the bottom, adjust the edges to, adjust the edges to, and adjust the edges. I don't like what I'm seeing here. Adjust this screen. Adjust the edges too. Okay, that's fine. Let me go back to my code. Now my reasons are hiding, so I have to bring them to the front by going to look, get the go to front layer, just click on it until it let me use my sprite rather. Let me say go to back layer, back. When the green flag is clicked, it should go to the back. My reason should be all now, they are all out. Okay, and that's good. That's perfect. Now let's add some other codes to it. I would add my forever so that, and there are some things I need to add the text to it and says game over. Oh, okay, I think I know what to do. Change the color to maybe white. Say game game over. Okay. That's it. So I want to also add a different backdrop so that once it starts, want this to let me put that in the switch costume look, switch costume to oh no, switch backdrop rather. Once the game starts, go to move stop and start. Start. Once a green flag is clicked and hiding that backdrop, you hide the backdrop by using the hide block. And let's see how it goes. Okay. Now, from the backdrop, I will add the timer and say when the green flag is clicked, let's go hide. I'll still add another. When the green flag is clicked, we should wait. We should add it forever. Let's say wait 1 second first. Then change the timer of the by -1. Change it by -1. That should give you a countdown effect. Now, if the timer now is equal to, as you're using the if and else block, if the timer is equal to using our operator, equality operator, if the timer is equal to 0, we should stop all. If you broadcast game over, add the new broadcast message, game over. Okay, add the game over and stop all. So to stop the game from running once that happens. So stop all. Now let's add our forever in there. And let's see it's come to life. Stop, start. Let's click on the happy face. Let's go. The game has stopped. So stop all. So now you notice that it did not change, the backdrop did not change to show us game over. So we need to go and add some codes there. We need to add some codes to the backdrop. That is for the backdrop. This is not needed here. So I'll say when I receive game over, the backdrop should switch. So if you say switch, when I see the backdrop, it switches, change. This, since it's hiding, this will show. There's no look, it will show. We need to add a show and a save block that will give us a score. We have scored by going to the operator and look for the join. Now the function of this join is to join two words together. Join two words together, making it say something and giving us a score. We say game over, say game over. and it will now give game over. Game over. Your score is you go to your variable and get the score for just 2 seconds. Now let's see it again. Let's look at our code. Overnight set. It also showed our score too. Let me make it at full screen and score 21. Let me make it full screen again and let's do it again. Yeah, you come on. Wow, score is 14. You gave me my score as 14. I need to center this game over. It's kind of starting. That's fine. Yeah? Let me go back to doing that again and let's see how try to avoid the red face, sad face, so that we can spread joy everywhere we go. It's 23 and it's actually 23 on the screen. On the screen, that's very good. That's really, really good. Give it some like that. Okay, and okay, that's it for today. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Remember, anyone can code. See you. Bye.